Welcome back. My name is Patrick. In today's video, I'm going to show you these two important Excel tricks. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Now let's get started. One time I was working on a project that required me to type first name and last name separately, but mistakenly I typed both names in a one column, and I had typed almost 100 names. So I found it very difficult to go back while deleting another name and put it in the second column. Now this is what you can do if you get the same problem, or if you want to separate these two names. Now what we are going to do, we are going to highlight to select the names we want to edit, rather we want to change. Now what we are going to do after that, we are going to click on data tab from the top bar from the menu. So we are going to click on data tab. Let's go there. Now after doing that, after clicking on data tab, we are going to click on this option called text to columns. Well, so if we double click on it, text to columns, then it will open this, and then we are seeing delimited and fixed width. So now our next step is to double click on delimited. Let's go there and click on delimited. So I'm going to double click on delimited, and I'm going to get these options. Let's see what this means. So I can see there is tab, semicolon, comma, space, and other. So what does this mean? This means, how is my data typed? Is my data separated by tab, a bigger space? Is it separated by semicolon, comma, space, or anything else like full stop? You may decide what has separated your data. In our case, our data is separated by a space. In this way, we mean the first name and the last name are separated by space. After typing the first name, we typed the space. So this means we are going to choose a space. Then after choosing space, we make sure that space is checked. Now we are going to go and click on next. Then after that, we are going to click on finish. Well, so now our names have separated successfully into two columns. So that will save you time, and try it out. Another thing we can see, this is what we can see. We may type names in different columns, and then we may want to join them into one. So this is what we shall do. I will say equals A2. For example, I want to join the name in A2 and B2. So I will say equals A2 and B2. Now let's see this. We need to fix this, but let's first see this. The and sign is used to combine them. Now if I click enter, they are combined, but I need a space in between because it is first name and last name. So how will I put that space? Let's proceed. So in this case, I'm going to combine three things. I'm going to combine A2 with the space and the B2. So I'm going to say equals A2 and space. The space must be in quotes, so I'll put quotes, then space, quotes once again, then and B2. Good. So that's how we are going to combine those two names. Now let me press enter. After that, I'm going to do autofill. I'm going to click in this. I move my mouse to the stream end. I do autofill. So now that's how we have combined the names, and in the other first Excel sheet we have separated them into two columns. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video such that I can make more other videos. Thank you so much.